Money is one of the most common sources of tension between couples. That's according to best-selling author and financial advisor David Bach. In his book, Smart Couples Finish Rich, Bach shares ways couples can get rich and create more harmony by managing their money together. Bach says that in order to be on the same page financially, you need to understand your partner's values. He recommends each partner write down 5 core values, such as security, health, and marriage, and then see if your spending aligns or goes against those values. Bach recommends couples each write down each purchase for 7 days, review the list, and find expenses that can be eliminated. Bach says investing some of that fun money, say $150 a month at age 30, could net you more than $270,000 by the time you're 65. Bach advises couples to prepare for financial emergencies. This includes saving 3 months' worth of expenses in a high-interest money market account, preparing a will or living trust, and getting the best health coverage you can afford. Bach says don't forget life and disability insurance and long-term care coverage. Lastly, Bach recommends couples create a savings account for their dreams, such as travel, changing careers, or giving to a charity. The more you can identify the purpose of the money, the more motivated you will be to save as a couple. For more financial tips, visit GoBankingRates.com.